Chinmaya Mission gi makada Northeast India gi Ahanba oina Nupi khaktigi oiba Sainik School ama sanaba Moirang AC gi manung chana leiba thamna pokpida ngarang Guru Purnima numita Chinmaya Mission Chennai gi Swami Mrityananda masung Home Minister Govindas Konthosam yauna urep uyung tamkhre ngarang pangtokhiba urep uyung tambagi thauramadu Moirang AC MLA Thongam Santi Bishnupur District ki DC Puja Langbam SP Khetrimayum Ravi Kumar amadi Social Worker M Asni Kumar Sarugaki, Tauramga Mari Lenana Swami Mrityanandan Hai, Sagadoriba Girls Sainik School Ase India Gi, Ning Tambagi Puwarida Mutpa Nairituitaba Ayane Headquarters Su Ladiba Moirangi Manung Oibana, Leba Asigi Ning Tambagi, Kongjangda Achoba Thodang, Lokiba Netaji Subhas Chandra Boski Mafumda Ikai Komnabu Utpa Oina, Urep Uyung Taubane. School asina state asigi nupi macha singda quality education leadership training amadi development da hena thodang lobga loinana academic amasung atopa hiram kaya dasu masak naiba haibadu oiba ngamlagane school asi Manipur miyamge amadi lamdam asigi miyamge support ningthina fanglaba amadi ayat apan pidrabadi chahi ahumge manungda loishenba ngamgani thajai haiki
7 brothers, 7 sisters and 1 brother. Now it has become Ashtalakshmi. The whole 8 states are called Ashtalakshmi. So we will have 2 or 3 students from every state and the rest would be from Manipur. That way the school would benefit for the girls in the northeast. And we already run around, we have a university, 7 colleges and 100 plus schools. Ours is a worldwide organization, more than 350 centers across the world. So we are very happy to come here and do this project. I thank every one of you here. And Asni has been the anchor who has been working on it for a while. Well done, Asni. Good job. Thank you very much.
Thauramadu Home Minister Govindas Konthosam Nahai, State Asigi Oyasu Ahanba Nupi Khaktagi Oiba Sainik School Ama Hangdukpa Asi Education Amasung Women Empowerment Gilamda Hena Singthaningai Ne Sagadoriba Girls Sainik School Asina Nupi Macha Singna Makoi Makoigi Apamba Lambida Chatuna Kunai Asigi Apaba Thabal Taunanabagi Manglan Adusu Mangfauna Hanba Ngamhalagani Haiki.
A lot of responsibility is made. As we all know that in the Commonwealth camp, our Indian account was opened by Mirabai Chanu by clinching gold in the weightlifting. Likewise, this upcoming Sainik school will do marvelous for the state as well as for the nation. With the blessings of Divine and Guruji, I think this project will come up successfully, and our esteemed Swami Mitrananda Maharaj is there to look after all these things, and hopefully this will give a lot of opportunities, directly and indirect benefits to the surrounding localities.